Japa means repeating a mantra. Ajapa japa refers to the repetition of mantra without any mental effort. What you repeat is not important. The consciousness and intention with which you repeat is important. Japa means just the sound leaving your throat. A very powerful tool used by Buddhists to visualize this movement of sound is a prayer wheel. On the prayer wheel, a mantra is written. Just as the mantra rotates on the wheel, it should rotate within your throat. Just paste a paper on the prayer wheel and see it and visualize the mantra moving in a circular way in your throat, just like this prayer wheel. In whatever way you visualize it, it will happen.
Basically, it is to instill a visualization of a circling effect of japa. See, japa means which happens in the linear way, which you use usually japamala. That is japa. Ajapa japa means using prayer wheel. One more thing, in japa you will count 1,000 times, 2,000 times, 3,000 times, as if like a bank account. If you put bank balance of 10 lakh japa, God has to appear and do whatever you want, nothing doing. In this, you won't be able to count. Your whole system becoming mantra. Understand? That is the benefit in this. This is more like a counting mechanism. Understand? This is more like a imbibing mechanism. With this, you can always remember how many thousand times I did. With this, mantra has to imbibe. It has to become part of your bio-memory. That's all.
One of the greatest things that can happen to a seeker is getting addicted to a mantra. You can never use the word addiction. You will be de-addicted from everything. It will liberate you from all patterns. Actually, how the honey oozes from the honeycomb, the mantra will ooze from you. If you do it in one place like the temple or center, you can energize that place also. Ajapa japa releases certain kind of energy in your body. Your body also will have tremendous energy, and the energy will flow into others too. Thus, Ajapa japa is a very powerful process for your spiritual evolution.
Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. There is no counting mechanism. But the Japamala is a counting mechanism. That's why you are waiting for the corner beat to come to your hand. Now I know all these fellows who do Japa. They do 3 minutes. Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. They feel tired. And then they touch with this hand and find out where the end of the Japamala is. See the corner of the Japamala. So they start doing Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. If the telephone bell is ringing, or if you are tired, what is this? For a long time I am doing Japa. Who is doing? You already slept. Then they will slowly wake up. Beard is only here. And still it has to come all the way. So this prayer wheel is a more powerful mechanism for Japa. So there is no such thing as right side, left side, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Do any wise, just be wise, that's all. You can use left hand, right hand, any hand. If you do Japa, that is right.